Hi, my name is Robert. Please read the comments in the About section of this video. It has valuable information and updates. My YouTube channel has a disclaimer video that I encourage you to watch. And please like, share, and subscribe. I hope you found what you're looking for. Thank you very much for watching. Video, I'm going to be replacing the starter in this Trans Am GTA. It's on the passenger side. Better to go in from under the front of the car and get to it that way. You got a gang of wires hooked up here and a few wires there, and then it's got two bolts in the bottom of it. They look like they're about 14 millimeter. First thing I'm gonna do is disconnect the ground on the battery that looks like somebody has stripped out, and then get down there, disconnect the wires off the starter, swap it out. It doesn't catch a lot of times when it's cold. I'm assuming it's a starter and not something with low battery power. Right inside the passenger wheel, you look up here, there's the back of the starter wires. Then you got two 14 millimeter bolts on the starter. You got one there and one on the other side of the pipe up there. So I would recommend taking these wires loose first. Don't get them mixed up because you'll have a mess on your hand. And looks like you got two on this big lug that I thought was 13, but it's 14 millimeter. I actually got a few on there. And then you got a little screw over there with some wires on it. So let me take this group of big wires off first and then get the little one. Okay, to get the starter out from the hole it was in, you had to take the exhaust loose from both sides of the engine. The downpipe hooked into the tailpipe, two bolts on each side. The exhaust dropped about 6-8 inches. Let you get the starter out, put the other one in. I'm gonna hook up the battery and we're gonna see if it'll start. Hopefully this starter works. You're gonna fire it up. All right, go ahead. Zero. I only took one battery thing loose.
You got both wires hooked up?
Yeah. I only took one loose. Hold on a second. The new starter had two posts. I put it on the wrong post. Now we're going to fire it up. Go ahead. Turn like it should. Make sure you put it on the post closest to the engine, not the one closest to the wheel. Okay. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.